In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Yahoo Mail to Taskbar Windows 10. This quick setup will let you open your inbox with a single click, just like a desktop app on Windows 10. We'll use your web browser to install the page as an app and then pin it to the taskbar. Begin by opening your preferred browser on Windows 10. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail and press Enter. In the results, click the first link for the official Yahoo Mail site. A simple way to confirm you're in the right place is to look for the familiar Yahoo Mail sign-in page and the address starting with mail@yahoo.com. When the page loads, sign into your account. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your login. On your personal device, you can keep the default settings. Wait until your inbox fully appears. This ensures the app we create opens directly to the correct account. Now, look to the upper right corner of the browser window and click the three horizontal dots to open the main menu. This menu is where browser tools and site options live, and we'll use it to create a lightweight app version of Yahoo Mail that runs in its own window. In that menu, hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share, then choose Install Page as an app. Different browsers may phrase this slightly differently, but you're looking for the option that installs the current page as an app. If you don't see the option right away, check that your browser is up to date. Menu wording can vary between versions of Chrome and Microsoft Edge. When prompted, give the app a clear name. Yahoo Mail works perfectly. Then select Install. Your browser will create a standalone window for Yahoo Mail without the usual tabs and address bar, making it feel more like a native app and helping you get to your messages faster. Right after installation, a prompt will ask if you want to pin it to the taskbar. Choose Yes. You'll see the Yahoo Mail icon appear on your taskbar, ready for one-click access. From now on, just click that icon to go straight to your inbox in its own window, even if your main browser isn't open. As a final note, the new Yahoo Mail app behaves like any other program on Windows 10. You can drag its taskbar icon to reposition it, and the window will remember your size and layout between sessions. That's all it takes. You've installed Yahoo Mail as an app and pinned it to the Windows 10 taskbar for instant access whenever you need it.